Welcome to our ultimate travel guide to Ohio. Today, we're counting down the top 30 places to visit in this diverse and beautiful state. From bustling cities and historic towns to stunning natural parks and unique museums, Ohio offers a wide range of destinations for all types of travelers. Whether you're a local or planning your first trip here, this list will inspire your next adventure. So let's get started and explore the best of Ohio from number 30 all the way to number 1. Number 30. Ohio Caverns. Known as the Grand Canyon of Ohio's underground. It features spectacular crystal formations and rare cave structures. Guided tours take you through spacious caverns filled with stalactites, stalagmites, and flowstone. This natural wonder provides a cool escape during hot summer days. It's a fascinating experience for geology lovers and families alike. Number 29. Hocking Hills State Park. Famous for its breathtaking cliffs, waterfalls, and hiking trails, visitors can explore caves like Old Man's Cave and Rock House. The park is a favorite for camping, ziplining, and nature photography. Its serene environment offers a peaceful retreat from city life. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts wanting to connect with Ohio's natural beauty. Number 28. Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Ohio's only national park, blending forest, wetlands, and rolling hills. The Ohio and Erie Canal Towpath Trail runs through the park, ideal for biking and walking. Visitors can ride the scenic Cuyahoga Valley Scenic Railroad. The park is home to waterfalls like Brandywine Falls, a popular attraction. It's a must-visit for nature lovers and history buffs alike. Number 27. Cleveland Museum of Art. This world-class museum houses an impressive collection of art spanning centuries and continents. Admission is free, making it accessible to everyone. It features works from ancient to contemporary artists, including Asian and African art. The museum also hosts engaging exhibitions and educational programs. It's a cultural gem in the heart of Cleveland. Number 26. Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Garden. One of the oldest zoos in the United States, the Cincinnati Zoo is home to over 500 animal species. It's known for its successful breeding programs and conservation efforts. The Botanical Garden offers beautiful plant displays year-round. Families enjoy interactive exhibits and daily animal shows. The zoo provides a fun and educational experience for visitors of all ages. Number 25. Lake Erie Islands. The Lake Erie Islands, including Put-in Bay and Kelly's Island, offer a unique island getaway with beaches and boating. Visitors can explore caves, wineries, and historic landmarks. Seasonal festivals and lively nightlife make the islands popular in summer. Kayaking and fishing are favorite activities here. The islands provide a refreshing break from the mainland hustle. Number 24. National Museum of the United States Air Force, located near Dayton. This is the largest military aviation museum in the world. It features more than 360 aircraft and missiles, including historic warplanes. Interactive exhibits detail the history of aviation and military technology. The museum is free to the public and suitable for all ages. It's a fascinating destination for aviation enthusiasts and history lovers. Number 23. Franklin Park Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Situated in Columbus, this conservatory boasts exotic plants and beautiful seasonal flower displays. It includes a stunning glass house with tropical plants and palm trees. Art installations complement the natural beauty. Educational programs and workshops are offered throughout the year. It's a peaceful urban oasis perfect for plant lovers and families. Number 22. Pro Football Hall of Fame. Located in Canton, this museum celebrates the history of professional football. It honors legendary players, coaches, and contributors with engaging exhibits. Fans can see memorabilia, trophies, and interactive displays. Special events and autograph sessions are popular here. It's a pilgrimage site for football fans of all ages. Number 21. Columbus Zoo and Aquarium. The Columbus Zoo is renowned for its diverse animal collection and immersive habitats. It features themed areas like Asia Quest and Heart of Africa. The zoo is active in conservation and education efforts. Special events, including seasonal festivals, draw crowds throughout the year. It's an exciting destination for families and animal lovers. Number 20. Cincinnati Museum Center at Union Terminal. This historic Art Deco train station is home to multiple museums under one roof. Visitors can explore the Cincinnati History Museum, the Museum of Natural History and Science, and an Omnimax theater. The architecture itself is a highlight worth admiring. Special exhibits and family programs make it a popular attraction. It's a hub of culture and history in Cincinnati. Number 19. Amish Country, Holmes County, offers a glimpse into Amish life with its simple lifestyle and craftsmanship. Visitors can enjoy homemade foods, handcrafted furniture, and buggy rides. The scenic countryside is perfect for peaceful drives and photography. Markets and shops provide unique souvenirs and experiences. It's a culturally rich and tranquil place to visit. Number 18. Cleveland Botanical Garden. This garden features beautiful landscapes, greenhouses, and themed gardens. It's home to the Eleanor Armstrong Smith Glasshouse with rainforest and desert biomes. Seasonal events and educational workshops engage visitors of all ages. The garden offers a relaxing setting for walking and learning. It's a highlight for plant enthusiasts visiting Cleveland. Number 17. Dayton Aviation Heritage National Historical Park. This park preserves the legacy of the Wright brothers and other aviation pioneers. It includes the Wright Cycle Company and Huffman Prairie Flying Field. Visitors learn about early flight experiments and inventions. The park offers guided tours and interactive exhibits. It's a historic destination celebrating American innovation. Number 16. COSE, Center of Science and Industry. COSE in Columbus is a hands-on science museum perfect for kids and adults alike. Exhibits cover topics from space exploration to ocean life. The planetarium and live science demonstrations enhance the visitor experience. Seasonal events and camps promote STEM education. It's a fun and educational stop for families. Number 15. Cleveland Metropark Zoo. This zoo features a variety of animal habitats, including the African savanna and Australian adventure. It participates in conservation and breeding programs worldwide. The rainforest exhibit immerses visitors in a tropical ecosystem. Family-friendly activities and seasonal events create memorable visits. It's a great place for animal encounters and outdoor fun. Number 14. Cuyahoga Valley Scenic Railroad. This heritage railroad offers scenic trips through the Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Passengers enjoy views of forests, rivers, and wildlife. Seasonal rides include themed events like fall foliage tours and holiday excursions. It's a relaxing way to experience Ohio's natural beauty. The train connects visitors to hiking trails and park attractions. Number 13. Cincinnati Art Museum. This museum features over 67,000 artworks from all periods and cultures. Admission is free, welcoming all visitors to explore diverse collections. Special exhibitions and community programs enrich the cultural scene. The museum building itself is architecturally impressive. It's a must-see for art lovers visiting Cincinnati. Number 12. Great Lakes Science Center. Located in Cleveland, this science center focuses on interactive exhibits and STEM learning. Visitors can explore space exhibits, a NASA Glenn Visitor Center, and an Omnimax theater. Hands-on activities make science fun and accessible. It hosts special events and educational programs year-round. It's a fantastic spot for curious minds of all ages. Number 11. Columbus Commons. This downtown park offers green space, gardens, and free concerts in the heart of Columbus. It hosts seasonal events, including outdoor movies and festivals. Food trucks and market stalls provide local flavors and crafts. The park is perfect for relaxation and social gatherings. It's a vibrant community hub for locals and visitors. Number 10. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Situated on Cleveland's lakefront, This museum celebrates rock music history and legends. Exhibits feature memorabilia from iconic artists and interactive displays. Special concerts and events attract music fans worldwide. The building's modern architecture is a landmark itself. It's an essential stop for anyone passionate about music culture. Number 9. Cedar Point. Known as the roller coaster capital of the world, Cedar Point is a thrilling amusement park in Sandusky. It offers over 70 rides, including record-breaking roller coasters. The park is family-friendly with shows, water parks, and dining options. Seasonal events like Halloween weekends add extra excitement. It's a must-visit for adrenaline junkies and families alike. Number 8. Ohio State House. Located in Columbus, the Ohio State House is a beautiful example of Greek Revival architecture. Visitors can take guided tours to learn about Ohio's government and history. The surrounding Capitol Square hosts festivals and farmers markets. The building's historic artifacts and artwork tell the state's story. It's a meaningful visit for history enthusiasts. Number 7. National Underground Railroad Freedom Center. This museum in Cincinnati highlights the history of the old houses, the Underground Railroad, and struggles for freedom. Exhibits use powerful stories, artifacts, and interactive displays. It promotes understanding and dialogue about human rights. The Freedom Center is located along the Ohio River, a key route for escaping slaves. It's an important cultural and educational destination. Number 6. Mohican State Park. Mohican offers over 1,000 acres of forest, rivers, and trails ideal for hiking, biking, and canoeing. Visitors enjoy camping, fishing, and exploring scenic overlooks. The park's autumn foliage attracts many leaf peepers. It's a peaceful retreat for nature lovers and outdoor adventurers. Seasonal events and guided tours enhance the experience. Number 5. The Ohio State University. A landmark institution that represents the heart and pride of Ohio. The campus is known for its impressive size, welcoming atmosphere, and beautiful green spaces that attract visitors year-round. It's a hub of education, research, and cultural activity, drawing people from all over the world. The university also plays a major role in Ohio's sports, traditions, and community spirit. Whether you're visiting for a game, a tour, or simply to experience the energy of campus life, Ohio State stands out as a symbol of the Buckeye State. Number 4. National Museum of the Great Lakes. Located in Toledo, this museum tells the story of the Great Lakes maritime history. Visitors can tour historic ships and explore exhibits about shipping and shipwrecks. The museum highlights the importance of the Great Lakes for commerce and culture. It offers interactive experiences and special events. It's a fascinating stop for history buffs and water lovers. Number 3. Columbus Museum of Art. The museum features modern and contemporary art, including American and European works. It offers engaging exhibitions, art classes, and family programs. The sculpture garden and outdoor installations add to the experience. Its location in downtown Columbus makes it easily accessible. It's a creative hub for art lovers and visitors. Number 2. Kings Island Amusement Park. Located near Cincinnati, Kings Island is one of the largest amusement parks in the Midwest. It's home to world-class roller coasters, including Orion, one of the tallest and fastest in the world. Families also love the water park, Planet Snoopy for kids, and Live Entertainment. Seasonal events like Winterfest add extra magic to the park experience. Kings Island is a must-visit for thrill seekers and family fun alike. Number 1. Cleveland Aquarium. Offers an exciting underwater adventure right in the city. It features immersive exhibits with thousands of fish, sharks, and other aquatic creatures. Visitors can walk through a massive sea tube, providing close-up views of marine life swimming overhead. Educational programs and interactive displays make it fun for both kids and adults. It's a must-see stop in Cleveland for families and ocean enthusiasts alike. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Ohio's top 30 places to visit. Whether you prefer exploring cities, enjoying the great outdoors, or diving into history and culture, Ohio has it all. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful for planning your trip. Let us know in the comments which Ohio destination you're excited to visit next. Until next time, happy travels.